Dogs aren't supposed to eat jelly beans.
I swear to God. You laughing, girl? You trying to laugh?
Oh, come on, keep pulling. There you go.
Babe, no. Chihuahua.
Say hi to it.
Get the f*** out of here. Oh my.
Is that a Chihuahua?
Not quite.
He's a Newfoundland.
Catch.
Open the door again, like pretend. Come on, Sonny.
Now jump. Jump in.
Go upstairs. Go upstairs. Go upstairs, fam. Go upstairs. You're struggling.
That butt. You give me that. You give me that butt. You give me that butt. You give me that butt.
Should I get Taco Bell? I'm asking you a question. Are you serious?
She's incredibly intelligent.
Right.
People.
Yes.
Thank you.
Things are
Stuck in my butt. It's like really. There we go. I tried.
Are you? At this time, you are sleeping. It's not possible.
Wash with the green. You sneezed in his face.
We have a serial killer on our hands.
Literally, what is he doing?
you and me, right now. We're having it out. Let's go. Come on. Come on.
Escucha las palabras de las antiguos dioses. Invocamos ahora la obra de la magia oculta. Esta noche a la
Oh dear.
You guys think I was outside? Embarrassing.
Eli, ¿quieres fresa?
It's like really stuff.
No.
Oh, there we go. I tried.
Eli, ¿quieres fresita?
Bye. Smile. Give me a better smile. Give me a better one. Smile.
Yes.
Think that you were.
Don't look at him. He can't save you. He ain't about to be home. No, don't touch. Don't touch.
Thanks for watching Oopsie Pets. Paw prints if you had a laugh, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more hilarious animal antics. See you in the next one. Stay pawsome.